I water the plants in the garden. She enjoys reading books in her free time. He listens to music while doing chores. We go for a walk in the park after dinner. They practice their language skills every day. The sun shines brightly in the clear sky. The birds chirp merrily in the trees. The baby needs a fresh change of clothes. The teacher assigns homework to the students. My sister paints beautiful landscapes. I cook dinner for my family. She writes poetry to express her emotions. He plays the piano with great skill. We go fishing at the lake on weekends. They enjoy playing card games during parties. The river flows peacefully through the countryside. The waves crash against the shore. The plane takes off smoothly from the runway. My parents encourage me to pursue my dreams. The cat naps lazily in the sun. I practice my public speaking skills. She takes ballet lessons on weekdays. He fixes a leaky faucet in the kitchen. We go on a road trip to explore new places. They play basketball at the local gym. The moon illuminates the night sky. The stars sparkle like diamonds. The computer runs silently. My friend shares her secrets with me. The baby giggles and claps his hands. I check my social media accounts. She takes photographs of nature's beauty. He walks his dog in the evening. We have a family dinner on Sundays. They enjoy playing board games together. The sun warms up the sandy beach. The birds migrate during the winter season. The baby needs a diaper change. The teacher explains the lesson clearly. My sister plays the guitar with passion. I exercise at the gym regularly. She volunteers at a local charity. He fixes a flat tire on his bicycle. We go for a picnic in the park. They enjoy playing soccer in the field. The rain falls gently from the sky. The wind blows through the trees. The train arrives at the platform. My brother plays video games for fun. The children learn new things at school.